This is the time to forgive and to look forward to the renewal that God promises in the birth of this child. But renewal will not happen unless we resolve to build up our brothers and sisters. So instead of recrimination, let us join hands in common work. Let us feed the hungry. Let us house the homeless. Let us give work to those who have none. And let us bring medicine to those who are ill. These are the goals my administration has set itself. And they are the goals to which every Kenyan can contribute this Christmas and in the year to come. There is work for willing hands, and let us dedicate and rededicate ourselves to doing it and to renewing this nation. Friends, let us all be responsible this festive season, and more so, those of us who are driving. Let me close by wishing you and all you love a very Merry Christmas. And I ask you again, especially our drivers, to take care of yourselves and your fellow countrymen and women in all your journeys this festive season. Merry Christmas to all Kenyans.